What are you doing, Shot? Interesting. Oh, what's that sound rattling in the distance?
Is Cam
It's Cameron Pig.
Not
what?
perfect.
What were you gonna say?
Is Cam
What?
disturbing?
What was that?
Is Cam being a disturbance?
What a pig! Explain the whole thing with the yellow candies.
Okay, so back when Bailey was in dance, they sold Skittles at that place that she danced at. One time, she bought a pack of Skittles,
And you wanted some.
and I wanted some, so she gave me all of the yellow ones.
Because the yellow is the worst flavor.
Because the yellow are horrible.
So we just don't understand how people can handle the whole Subway thing, because it's like when you're at a normal restaurant, like it's not that hard to like remember what you have to like order and stuff, and you can just say like, oh yeah, I want this thing, and it's like one sentence you have to say, and then that's not that bad, right, Sean?
Yeah.
But when you're at Subway, you gotta say what kind of bread you want, and then it's like what kind of meat do you want, what kind of cheese do you want, why the heck are there so many different types of bread, and then you gotta remember to cry. So
Wait, what?
Wait,
what's that part about crying?
oh wait, everybody doesn't do that? So we went to Arby's and we got the roast beef sandwich, and since I don't eat beef, I gave my mom the beef since she doesn't eat breads. We're here! So I already took my makeup off, sorry about that, but I will give you a little tour of the whole place, the whole hotel room. It's pretty nice and big because my whole family is going to be here, my brother and sister and mom and dad, so, oh, and Cam, obviously. So yeah, I'll give you a little tour now. I'm going to probably be talking a little quieter than this because I know there are people sleeping like next door, so this is the final time I'm going to be talking loudly. So here's mine and my siblings' room, and there's Cam, and my stuff is here, all in this section. Cameron just got to run around, but he's back in there now, so he's eating some hay and stuff. But he was running around, so he had some time to exercise, and now he's back in there to eat. And there's a fan and this cool light, like what? And I was gonna shut these because we noticed that you could see into people's rooms, which is a bit sketch. So yeah, here's this room and the TV and my brother's pile of stuff. Nice. And it's 1:26 a.m. Here's a bathroom. The soap says Disney on it. How cute. And this is where my mom and dad are gonna be. And this ginormous bathtub.
Oh my god.
And Shot.
Hi, I'm putting this back.
I've already kind of gotten ready for bed. I brushed my teeth and like washed my face, took my makeup off and everything. Gonna go to sleep soon. I'm gonna probably watch a little bit of YouTube. It's already, what time is it? It is 1:57 a.m. so probably should go to sleep soon because I know I've got a full day tomorrow. But yeah, I'm pretty much done filming today's vlog. So thank you guys so much for watching it, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe to BaileyTube Vlogs so you can become a Baileyan, because you know Baileyans are amazing. We're the best fandom on YouTube, so definitely subscribe. Bye!
Just pushing me back to Texas, walking from goddamn. Mind your head, I lost my mind. I'm thinking about you all the time.